going to cover adding images to the item master. Okay, and so the place you're going to start from is here, and you're going to go to inventory and then items. And so under items, you're going to look up the item you're looking for. And so in this example, I'm going to use Corian Glacier White. Okay, and so you've got some options here. This is the one you're looking for, Corian Glacier White. So if you open this up, you right click here and hit Edit Item Master and go over to the additional tab. You should see picture right here. Okay, so if you go to Tools, Insert Picture File. Okay, now so this is opening up and it's trying to find where you've stored the file. Now you may have already previously put it somewhere, or we're gonna add it straight from here. So down here in this area, you should see a saved drive. I don't have that set up yet, but we can do that on the fly here. So if you type in backpack rodent 3 insert item images, okay, that's where we're going. I'm just going to right click and I'm going to go map network drive, and this one is going to be okay, just for images. And it's very, very important that everyone in the company uses this exact same letter for the map drive, because otherwise Seradex is not going to be able to find the image. Okay, and it's called universal naming. Now, okay, so I'm going to hit finish, and so now you're going to see that I've mapped this drive, and it's also available right here, just in case it wasn't before. So images, okay, and then in here is where you're going to place this particular image. Now, in the event that you haven't already downloaded it into this folder, I've gone to the website and I've found the color, and I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to hit Save Image As. Okay, and see, with this website, it's already named it for you, which is a huge advantage. So if you're going to be naming, if you're going to be putting in images for the item master, you should try and use sources that have already named them, and they're correct, obviously. And try, since the image you saw in Seradex here, I'm just going to hit cancel. This is the size it's going to show up as, so don't try and download a massive photo that's the size of your entire screen, because the image is going to get skewed, and so you don't want that as a result. And so let's go back to the website. We're going to save this. We're going to go under Item Images, and I'm just going to hit Save. Okay. And so now back in Seradex, we're going to come in here to the same thing. We're going to go to Tools, Insert Item File, Item Images, and voila. Okay, so there it is. And look, you've got the color. And that was your objective. So I'm just going to hit Save. Okay, and just as a quick example, we're going to do one more. So let's do Tools, oops, sorry, Search, and let's do another Corian color. So Corian. Let's go with a gray color. So I happen to know that we have some of this sea foam in stock, or this silver gray, okay? And so I'm going to choose the silver gray. Okay, I'm going to go back to my website here, and I'm going to search for silver gray. So while it decides whether it's going to find a result, so maybe I spelt it wrong. I'm going to do a little shortcut, and I'm going to use Google. So Corian silver gray. So I didn't spell it wrong. So silver gray. It's going to decide whether it's going to open. There's the color. So again, I'm going to right click, save image as. Okay, it's already in item images because that's what I'm working on. And this says, see, I'm not a real fan of the way it's named this, so I'm going to move some of this remove some of it. Not that you have to, but it's nice to keep a convention while you're doing this. In that way, everything looks the same. You'll have less problems trying to find where you've saved this. Okay, so chlorine silver gray, hit save. We're going to go back here to Seradex. Okay, we're going to right click, hit edit item master. We're going to go into tools, insert picture file, and then we're going to hit silver gray. Okay, and let's just go check it. Oh, there's the color. I'm going to hit save, and that is the process. That is all you need to know on how to insert images into Seradex.